Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Benner Rider. Today, first of all, I would like to say I'm sorry about this lighting. I know it's very bad outside. It's very loud because of this damn bird and all the dogs. So I have to do it inside. Sorry for the lighting. I will put better shots and videos up later on when I'm actually outside, but I just received this today in the mail and I wanted to show you. You saw the unpackaging already, and now I will show you the helmet in detail. So first of all, I would like to tell you what the name, what the description of this helmet is. It's the AGV K3 SV VMX Birdy, and as you can see, it's a birdie. Yeah. I just wanted to tell you why I actually bought this helmet, or rather, my old helmet, the Shark. It's been a very good helmet actually, but lately. Also, it has this kind of visor which you can open up and stuff like that. This is why it actually has a lot of wind noise now. So I don't know. They also say this does not have the best wind noise inside. So we just have to go and see. But there are like three things that I'm watching out for a helmet when I buy a new helmet. This is only I think my third one or so. First of all, my helmet, of course, has to fit snug on my head. I will show this to you later on. This is an ML size. And, you know, there's a medium large. I tried in the shop, actually, I tried the medium S. I had the other helmet that I have, the Shark, is a medium. I tried the medium S in the shop, but I could not fit my glasses in there. It just didn't work. So I had the fantastic idea of trying out the ML, the medium large, and actually I can put my glasses, they fit in there now. So this is of course one of these points that I have to look out for when I buy a new helmet, that my glasses fit in the helmet. The other thing is I've never had a full-sized, full-faced helmet before. I've always had these, you know, flip-up helmets or whatever, your modular helmets, what you call them. The other thing I'm looking for in a helmet is, well, of course, that it's good quality. And the other thing is that it has a sun visor. You know, this one has a sun visor here, and I think this is not so dark as my Shark. Unfortunately, maybe I have to get a tinted shield here as well. So unfortunately, you can open this up and close it. There's only two positions here with this lever here on the side. So it has to have a sun visor for me, or else I will not buy this helmet. And what was the other thing? Oh, the other thing, it has to have this system, what do you call this, micro something? So once again, about the ventilation, the helmet the visor can be opened if you push up this button here, and then you can open it up easily. It has I don't know, 4 D10s or so, 1, 2, 3, and closed. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vents which you can open or close, and the one in the chin vent, you actually have to you can open and close it with a little button inside of the chin. Okay, and the eyebrows here of this bird you can just open in so that you just push it up. You have ventilation there, and there's also a top ventilation and you can open or close it like this. The rear extraction are right here. Okay, it's really not so easy to make a review about this, especially if you don't know very much about it. So 2 rear extractors, 5 front vents, adjustable air vents. Okay, so the interior of the helmet is dry, comfort, fabric, removable and washable interiors, removable nose guard, and removable wind protector. There's this chin curtain here, which you can remove. I don't know how yet, but I will find out. I think that's also good, you know, that maybe the microphone, sound from the microphone will be better then. It has actually a pin lock included in the package. So in the package is the instruction manual, a few of these little thingies here for the mechanism of the visor, for the visor, a few stickers, and there's a pin fork resistant lens. There's a pin lock, you know, which is included, that you just put in here, and then you can ride in the winter time as well without fogging up. There's also this bag, which I showed you already. What else do we have? We have a 190-degree horizontal field of view, anti-scratch. Hopefully it is. I don't know how much anti-scratch or scratch resistant it is. Integrated anti-scratch sun visor as well, and removable without using tools. The retention system, which is this here, it's called a micrometric. And I like this, you know, I don't like this double D or whatever you call it. Double D. Isn't that something else? Anyways, the shell consists of you can get the shell in 2 shell sizes. I think it stops at the ML and then you get a bigger shell size. 4 density EPS developed in 4 sizes. Collarbone safe profile, multi-step visor mechanism, patented extra quick release system. Patented. And that's about it. It was on sale actually at the moment. Maybe it's a special health crisis special. I don't know, usually it costs around 230, 250 euro, this helmet. But you get it with discount. I got it for 176 euros, I think. And I think that's a very good deal for this helmet. That's about it. You can take out everything here inside the helmet, actually. I will put my microphone in there. You also have these grooves here for the, if you want to put in a Bluetooth system for speakers, there's enough space. If you wear glasses, you can put it like this. You can do it as well. The visor can be easily removed. If you want to know how, I will do another video for this. And I think that's about it. I will put it on now and remove the stickers, and so you can see what it looks like on my head. Okay, so I wanted to show you what it looks like when I put the helmet on. I have removed the stickers already. There's 1 sticker on the visor and 1 on the sun visor. I will put the helmet on now. Fits perfectly. Smells like a new car. I like this smell of a new car. So, and for the visor, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 detentions. We can close it up. To open it up, either you lift this one or you push this one up here, like this. And here on the left-hand side, there is the sun visor. And that works perfectly with glasses as well. So, as you can see, this is the new helmet, the AGV K3 SV Birdy, and you will see more of that later on when I'm actually able to drive outside, not inside, outside, and you will see footage from me wearing the helmet. Of course, I need to put up my ears here, so it looks much more funny like this. Okay, thanks very much for watching. This is Ben Right Out. Take care. Bye bye.